Hello everybody, this is Abdar Yasir. We all know that what is variable. So variable is like a black box where we can store value, and we also know that every variable has a name, value and type. So in this tutorial we'll focus on the type of the variable. So to get a better understanding, we will solve this problem called Mars weight. So the problem is really fascinating. It's a physics problem. So my weight on planet Earth is 80. So suppose that I am on the planet Mars. So then what will be my weight? So in this purpose, I just have to multiply my weight on Earth with this number. So I'm just storing this number in this variable. So this is a global variable because this is my function and I have defined this variable outside of this function. So that's why it's called a global variable. Now I have to take my weight input. So for this reason I will use the input function. So remember I say that every variable has three things. So in this case weight is the variable name and value will be given from this terminal. So now the question is, what is the type of this variable? So it is actually string because weight input function always returns string. To verify that, we will use the type function. So if I just input my weight here, they're saying enter the weight. Let's put 80. It is showing that it is actually a string class. So by using this function called type, you can actually get the type of any variable. Now we are expecting that the weight will be a float, but we are getting a string. So we have to solve this problem, because if we don't solve this problem we'll get a error actually. So let me show you the error first. So I'm just taking another variable name weight on Mars, and I'm now multiplying my weight, this weight on Earth, with this value Mars multiply. Now see, let's see if I just enter my weight 80, it is saying that type error, because this weight is actually a string, but the program is expecting it as a float. So to run this program successfully, first of all we have to do typecasting. So this word is important, typecasting. Now the question is that how can we perform the typecasting? So by just using this simple line we can do the typecasting operation. So this is called actually typecasting. Now see that in this line I am just taking the input which is 80, then I am printing the type of the weight. So we know that this is a string, so it is saying that class string. Now in this line I am doing the typecasting operation. So now if I again check the type of the weight, it is showing that it is float. So we are successfully transform this from string to weight. So this line is just converting the type from string to a float. Now if another program, if you want to just convert, suppose this is string and you want to convert this into integer, so you just have to do type here int. So if I rerun the program, now this is int actually. So basically you just, by using this, you can just change the type of the variable. Now let's finish our program. So here we have to do the typecasting. Typecasting is done by using this line. Now we are really expert on it. And now you have just to multiply. So weight equal, okay, we'll just say weight on Mars equal